Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya. What is going on, everybody? Today we have another video. Very excited to talk to y'all, man. I got so much in store. Today will be a very long day. The majority, the meat and potatoes, you know what I'm saying? Majority of this day will be focused around me heading to Kick Theory to grab my second pair of Shadow 2.0s. Now, if you didn't watch my original video, I did a video on the Shadow 2.0s. Big shout out to Hippie Sports because they sent over a pair. But before they sent over a pair, I knew this would be like an interesting shoe that I thought I would want to grab. After the review, I do love the colorway, but we all talked about, like, bruh, the quality ain't what they're supposed to be. We know that. We've been through that. Comment down below how you feel about that. Some people, hey, look, I did a reel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I do these dope reels that I really want y'all to tap into. The Instagram is linked right below. It'll take you like a quick second to go over there, check them out. They're like 30-second cinematic, dope B-roll, slow motion edits. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can go ahead and comment, you know what I'm saying? Let the people know I ain't no cap. But no, honestly though, a lot of people were saying that the Shadow 2.0s was better than the OG, which was shocking to me. Now, some people might be trolling, but then again, some people might be serious. Regardless, I'm going to go pick up my second pair. My first pair is over here. And like I said, the only letdown about these shoes is very easy. It is the quality, bro. Like, this is a good looking shoe. Nothing wrong with it. I love the reverse colorway. I think the shoe is solid. But when it comes to the quality of the shoe, it's booty butt cheeks. But still, you know what I'm saying? It's worth doubling up on because we all know how hard it is to get AJ1s this year. And to be honest, bro, I can use that for anything I want. You know what I'm saying? Trade bait. I can use it to, you know, flip to get another pair of shoes. Anyway, man, hey, look, make sure y'all are tapping into my other channels because I am dropping consistent content over at my second channel, Sniper Jones TV. That channel is always and forever linked down below in the description. I even got new videos with AMP that I'm dropping today. So a lot of y'all know that I've been in the AMP vids. If you didn't know, I'm even dropping more AMP vids on my channel today. So if you have not tapped into that, then let me know. Last but not least, man, I'm starting up my Twitch. I don't know why I grabbed my old Xbox controller, but I'm starting up my Twitch, Apex Legends, you name it, man. Gonna be gaming on my Twitch. I will have updates for y'all on the Twitch soon. And lastly, if you guys did not know that I have a podcast with me, my boy Mike, Holla at Crazy, that drops every Thursday. So we very busy, man. And if you did not know about any of those things, all of those things are linked down below in the description of the video. So please head over there and check it out because it's literally all good content. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already subscribed, man. Only 30% of y'all are subscribed. I don't know why. So if that's you, if you've been watching and you just haven't noticed you didn't hit the sub button, please go ahead, smash that sub button because we super close to 80K and the grind is to 100K. Other than that, man, I'm about to slide out the Kick Theory. I'm also going to the gym today. I gotta stop through Sim's crib. It's gonna be a long day and I gotta go to the barbershop. So I will see y'all in a second. Peace. Yo, what's the vibes, man? What's going on with you, bro? You good, man?
Yes, sir. How you been, bro?
Over here keeping the books in order. I see you, bro.
Hey,
making sure everything good.
Yes, sir. Doing a little, doing the Adidas buy for next spring for y'all.
Okay. Oh, look, we gotta show them the D Brown autographed.
Oh man.
Yo, so they got the D Brown autographed joints, man. If y'all don't know who D Brown is, was it the 91?
91 dunk
right.
contest winner. Yeah.
91 dunk contest winner. Autograph, D Brown, slam dunk champ. How dope was that experience, like meeting D Brown, chopping it up with him?
Man, it was one of the coolest things I've ever done. It was a great conversation. Even I wish we could have got the conversation that we had off camera. Yeah. But I mean, we was talking about old school NBA to now, and it was good to hear his perspective. Y'all
know I love basketball. Like my passion for basketball is through the roof. I was on Instagram and I was scrolling up. And I seen you like getting, I was like, yo, they with D Brown. And I know a lot of y'all probably don't know who D Brown was, but he was a solid NBA player. But he just made his impact in the dunk contest, obviously, in 91, which back in 91, everybody competed in dunk contests. Unlike now.
He beat Kemp in the finals.
He beat Sean Kemp, which, by the way, they got the Sean Kemp kamikazes back here, too. These weren't bad. I actually... Reebok sent me these with like the Rain Man. They sent me like the Rain Man trench coat and everything. Oh, wow. That's so dope. Shout out to Reebok for sending me these when they came out. But yeah, are these for sale here or are they just for display?
Yeah, we do have some left, but those are all size 15. Kemp hopefully is going to come in the store and sign those.
Snap. So everybody has Sean. Hey, if Sean Kemp pull up to the store, I'm pulling up in the Rain Man outfit. I'm pulling up in the kamikazes, bro. Hey, I'm telling y'all, I got these shoes. I got the trench coat. I'm bringing it all out for Sean Kemp. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Sean Kemp because he played for the Cavs for a little bit.
Yeah, he did.
That's my home team, so he played for the Cavs a little bit. Sean Kemp, you know, you're a legend. Yeah. These ones were tough too.
I love that one.
Man, what is the colorway of there? What's the name of this?
I think it's Sprite. the Sprite one, that's the only thing I can come up with.
Yeah.
I don't think it's actually tied to Sprite, but
Yeah.
because I don't think they wanted to pay for the licensing. But
yeah, these are hard. Like when it comes to like Reeboks, the only ones I actually really like were Kamikazes, Insta Pump Fury, and of course the question.
Yeah.
I never really even liked the answers that much.
Me neither.
I just really like the questions, Kamikaze and Insta Pump Fury. That's probably it for the most part. One thing I wish I could have caught here at the store, I had the ice cream collab, the BBC Ice Cream For Real collab questions. I really wanted those. It was 2 different colorways. It was a purple one and the green one.
Yes.
I wanted either or, but when I came here, y'all didn't have any more on my size. See, this is what happened. The Hawks make the playoffs, you know what I'm saying? And next thing you know, they got Hawks gear just laying around. Look at this. Look at this, man. I don't know. Wait, is the Hawks in a play-in tournament or did they made it?
They got the 5 seed.
Okay, they got the 5 seed. The 5 seed?
Yeah.
Oh man. Are they beating the Knicks?
I think they do.
I don't think they beat the Knicks.
Don't think so?
Comment down below. I know I got a lot of people from Atlanta, so I'm about to get blasted right now. I do not think that Atlanta's getting past the Knicks. They got one of the best defenses in the league. I think Trae Young's a bucket, but Julius Randle too much of a man to handle. Yeah. I don't know if John Collins can handle Julius Randle, but if y'all from Atlanta, I know which one y'all going for, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know why I'm here, man. Y'all know why I'm here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. I doubled up. I pulled the trigger. I did it, okay? I had to get the second pair. Now, I know a lot of y'all like Snipe. You said that the shoe quality was not the best, so why do you want to double up? Well, I got an answer for that. I don't know, okay? Wait, first reason is because I still like the shoe, even though I don't like the quality. Second of all, you never know what like this shoe could bring. After all, like I said, always use shoes for either trade bait or like to keep over time, because you never know what can happen. I was talking to Corey earlier about this shoe, and I said I like the color blocking. And give you like that Chicago color blocking. The only thing that they did not do well with this shoe is quality. Now I see like this, let me see, it's like a hockey jersey over here that actually look fly with this, bro. Look at this. Hey, could I pull it off, bro? Look at me, you know what I'm saying? Hold the camera one time for me, Corey. You gotta get it. I've never been a fan of being too matchy, but if y'all pull up the Kick Theory, bro, and get you this Gretzky, you know what I'm saying? Los Angeles King. Is that Gretzky? Okay, yes, yeah, it is. I had to make sure. But yeah, see, just go right with the 2.0. This is something you can rock. Hey. Corey, you can rock this.
Hey, man, I might have to do it.
Come on, hey, if I should pull a trigger on this, comment down below, man. I'd probably throw something up on the gram. This not bad, though. Hey, man, what we got over here?
Got the white pumps.
Woo.
It's the one you saw in the D Brown video for us.
Yup.
Finally got the rest of the sizes.
See, who remember having the pump on the tongue though?
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You remember that?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Basketball type quality, like the rubber basketball quality right here on the pump. If anybody watched wrestling, you remember when John Cena used to hit the pumps on his shoes?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The pumps just take me back to another place, bro. Oh, so I gotta ask Corey, I gotta put him on blast, man. I did a reel. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I did like an Instagram reel with these, and I asked people, would they take the 2.0 or would they take the OG? And majority of people say they take the 2.0.
Whoa.
What do you guys say about that, man?
In my humble opinion,
yeah,
I disagree.
Right?
I mean, I just think that the Shadow 1.0 is just, materials are better, color blocking's better to me. It's an OG. I mean, I don't see how you could ever pick any secondary colorway over an OG. All
right, so babe, I got a new pair of shoes, okay? And I want you to tell me what you think about them. So come here for a second. I want you to open this up and tell me your thoughts and opinions on that. Don't lie though. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I won't. Ooh, they smell amazing.
You like that? You like that new shoe smell too?
I love it.
I knew it was a reason why I liked you, man. I knew it. I don't even know what it was, but now I do.
I like the color.
Okay.
I don't know. It just seems like it's a little dull.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense.
Like I wish it was more like vibrant, I guess.
She is a Air Jordan 1 connoisseur. That she loves Air Jordan 1s. Would this make it to your rotation? Like, would you buy these?
I think I would.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I would buy these.
So they get the Guru stamp of approval?
Yeah, I would buy these. I think the colorway is awesome. It's nice and simple. Gray laces, I would definitely. Yeah, I would put gray laces in. I think that would make it pop out more. What's the name of the shoe that you got when we was in Texas?
The smoke gray Air Jordan 1s. They had like the gray, black, a little bit of red in there.
Yeah, I felt like that one felt a little bit softer or had a little bit.
The material is trash on this shoe. That's
yeah, like this is weird. Because I remember with the smoke gray one, I could do that and you could like actually feel the suede on it. With this, I'm not feeling anything.
So show the people. She got some new NASCAR tees in. It's gonna be on the website very soon. I'm gonna show y'all a few so y'all getting like the inside scoop of what's going on.
Got this one.
Ooh.
This one not bad. This one not bad.
So most of them are front and back. Like this one's not though, but I like the colors on it.
This one is tough. I might take y'all might see me in an IG pic with that today. Not gonna lie.
I got this one. This is the back of it.
This is hard.
Yeah, and then that's the front.
That one like a different color. I like that one.
Yeah, it's like a. It's not really yellow.
Yeah.
I can't explain that color.
Yeah,
it's like a mustard.
Butter. It's like butter. It's like butter or something.
Butterscotch.
Yeah, butterscotch.
But like I said, she will be dropping a lot of vintage tees, a lot of, as y'all see, she got the graphic NASCAR tees, even NASCAR jackets, and a lot of other vintage dope stuff that be on her website that I'm linking down below. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the video. I doubled up. I got my second pair of Shadow 2.0s. Of course, I want to ask y'all what y'all think, what's y'all opinion. Also, man, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also go to her channel. Subscribe to her channel as well. It will also be linked down below. If y'all want to see more videos of us in those videos, then let us know what you would like to see. I can either put them on this channel or on my second channel that I told y'all about earlier in the video. Until next time, man, I will catch up with y'all. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all.
Dream big.
Peace.